Morning, everyone.
Morning, Jesse.
All right, market opening here shortly. Be looking at swings here. How's the stream looking? Oh, LOL. Would it help if I started streaming?
It's clipped weird.
Oh, man.
All better.
Bizarre. Very weird. All right, let's start out with some daily levels here. Looking to break this outside. Looks like ES is targeting an outside month right now. Outside month on ES is only 40 points away. It'd be... let me fix this. There we go. Outside month on ES is 450.63. So we're pretty darn close to that. Trying to get everything signed in. So we're, yeah, definitely inside so far. on, oh no, we're 212 down on the 5. Oof. Let's see. Now these are flipped. Here we go. Outside on the 5 on NQ. NQ 212 down. Today's a 2 down. 212 down on the week as well. We hit the weekly magnitude. Next magnitude's at 1737.3. 17373 is probably a better way to say that. 17,372.75. Monthly 2-2 reversal. Monthly magnitude would be 17,262.75. Other than that, looks like we're kind of pushing down into a broadening formation. Daily broadening formation would be something like, something like this. And yeah, we're kind of going into the bottom of the range here of our broadening formation. This is our most recent swing low, so it makes sense. So I'd be looking for this to continue to the downside for sure. If I look at the hourly chart, it's a little cleaner to see. Had a big drop yesterday. Broadening formation looks something like this. Right? Or you could even draw a broadening formation inside of that. Do a little wider one from Wednesday of last week. That might be a little cleaner to see. So certainly in the scope of that. Now today is turnaround Tuesday, so we'd be looking at fib levels. Put us golden zone right here. To here. And if you want to get even wider, those are kind of the levels we're looking at. Got a fair value gap here on the daily. Partially filled so far. And other than that, we'll just go magnitude to magnitude. Magnitude being pretty much price targets as far as strat goes. So we already hit this one here. Kind of wicked under it at 826. And now we're here. I'd like this to not extend right. Okie dokie. 7 more minutes until my trade window opens up. Oh, I'm using my face cam mic. Thank you. Figure that out. Input. There we go. I should sound a lot better now. Thanks, Tony. Alrighty.
You ever thought about doing voice acting? You do have a very soothing voice. Maybe some like audio books or something.
Yeah, ASMR.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Good morning, Expensive Shoes. Good morning, Deontay. Morning, XL Algo. You use funded accounts, by the way, or personal funded only? I've thought about going personal, but right now the prop firm space is very stable. So, how do I get your alerts without your Discord? I'm not sure. I only alert on Discord. I'm not complaining at all. Just curious. Yeah, I don't do like text alerts or anything like that. Jesse reminds me of Philip Seymour. Not me Googling him.
He's elusive, is what he is. I mean,
He does have a soothing voice, so I take that as a compliment. All right, let me look at my swings here. XBI, good move down. XOM, 2 down. GLD, looking for the 2 up. NVIDIA, outside bar. That's no good. Seeing as I am in calls. If it goes 2 down today, I'll probably close those for a loss. Boeing still going down. D-Dog, probably a close today. Carvana down. Mara down. Mara and Carvana both leading the charge. Mara is a beautiful short.
Hey, Jesse, Lululemon's going to 300, baby.
Lulu?
Yeah.
Saw your mention yesterday. Oh my, yes they are. Yeah, they were in force at 387. What's wrong with them? What they do? Bad guidance, I assume.
Yeah, earnings no bueno.
Deontay, shoot me a DM, man. I went long leaps on Mara about a month ago. I hate this stock. Yeah, that one's a tough scene. 2-1, 2 down, pretty much when you got in. Yeah, I am short, Mara. Looking for the 3-2 down. Now it's going to be an inside bar on the 5. In the 15's a 2 down. Looking for the next move here.
Sam Woodworky.
Hey Jesse, what was your GLD trade? It was an overnighter. Overnighters are pretty much treated as lottos for me. They're pretty much strat setups that I'm expecting to play out the next day. And if they do, I get a really good average. Looking short. Putting this sell stop here. 34.50 sell stop. Filled on that. I'm short NQ. In this fair value gap has to go down. All right, stops to the high of this current candle now. So 4-point loss if it hits. There's 10 points. Going to keep these stops for this. All right, stops to the high, now the high of this current candle. So right at, okay, stop break even. All out. Didn't get the push through this fair value gap, which is what kind of spooked me out of that. ES looks like a better short, to be honest. All right, good thing I got out of that. Could look to short oil here. What's that?
How much does oil move per like one contract?
If you're doing the minis, I think it's $10 per tick. $1,000 per one full point, so 100 ticks. Not afraid to trade ES if it's a better looking stock here. Not stock, you know what I mean, ticker. Kind of moving the same right now, though.
Could also just short RTY.
I kind of want a retracement on RTY first. I think this is pretty extended.
Oh yeah, I'm with you on that.
Deontay, what's your Discord name? I'll look it up. Okay. Back to the chat box. Got to be careful of consolidation after a huge day yesterday.
Doesn't Powell speak this afternoon? I wonder if that's why we chopping.
Does he? Oh yeah, 115. Due to participate in a fireside chat about economic trends in North America. Yikes. I don't know, we're not moving horribly, just not making a new trend yet. Tomorrow is no news. Thursday, unemployment. Friday, nothing.
Jesse, for weekly swings, you can look at target also.
Yeah, it's at a pretty important point here on the daily. I am really interested in Lulu, even though it just keeps dropping. All right, we're breaking out on NQ. Outside bar on the 15 now. That's what I was waiting for. Going to be waiting 2 minutes at least for a proper 5-minute setup, though. Possible gold shorts in 4 minutes. Yeah, 222. Same on oil, too. One minute left on this 5-minute candle. Certainly could be doing a turnaround Tuesday. I mean, filling that fair value gap would be 222 points higher. See what this new 5er and a 15 is going to do. Be down off the rip. Inside still on the 5 here. Probably waiting for this to go 2 up and then taking longs. Might look to get long here on the 2-1-2 up on the 1. Coming right back to 900s. Cracking 900s for now. Let's look at, I'm going to take a look at ES depth of market. Nothing huge sitting at the 5100s. There's a 1 minute change of character to the downside. Couldn't hold those 900s. Inside on the 5 here still. Inside bar on the 5 here. Ending a red inside so far. 212 up on gold, not interested. And crude is an outside bar. Maybe 3-2 down. ES looks like a much cleaner short right now in terms of where the 5-minute is. But the appealing part of NQ is that because it's higher up, if it is going to go down, it's going to go down quicker. I have a sell stop at 80.50, just under this inside bar. Got filled, so I'm short NQ. Two, 1-2 down on the 5 now. There's 10 points. $10 again. And stop break even. Outside bar on the 1. Got the 3-2 up on the 1. Not interested till this 5-minute close is failed. Then I would be interested in a failed 2-2 reversal. 15 still inside, which makes any trade a little more risky. Looks like oil's taking a drop. Outside bar now on the 5. I'm interested in longs over '07. I might put a or buy stop there. Very weird price action so far. Maybe a gold short. Failed 2 on the 15, barely wicked under that previous low. ES still sitting at these highs over 5,100, and Q can't get back above 900. That'll be signs to short. If we do break over 900, I think that it's, you know, longs up to the fair value gaps. Just watching. XOM gap up's doing pretty well. Nvidia's recovering. All right, I'm closing D-Dog. Carvana was a failed 2 when I looked. Now it's just a fail. Now it's just a 2 down. Man, we are not able to get over these 90s. It's not really anything holding us through it, but just watching. Could get another inside bar. 3rd of the morning. So 2-2 reversal here. Back above 900s. I am putting in for 907. Just got filled. 907. Long. Risking myself being liquidity here. We shall see. New 5er coming. I usually don't want to hold into these, but it's pushing up currently. 7 points. Finger on the close. Taking 1 at 7. Not counting it as 1R yet. There's 1R. Well, there's 10 points, which is usually my 1R. And there is 1R. Within a tick. Go on. There it is. All right, I think this is moving now. 2-2 on 3-2-2 on the 15. I think this is the trade. We'll see. I might have just jinxed it, but hard stops at break even. Actually going to move them up to this low 1075. Just take a little extra profit. Making good trades today so far. I'm sure somebody went counter trend here and took the failed 2 reversal, but I stuck to my system. All right, stopped out. Could just be grabbing this fair value gap, but huge failed 2 right now. I really did think that was the move. This could just be an ICT setup. Silver bullet for all you who trade ICT. Yikers, it did not want that 900s. Gold on its 3rd failed 2 in a row. Nvidia making a pretty good comeback. Bouncing off these 900s now. ES still sticking above 5100. Pretty big level there. Failed 2 on the 15 though. Sorry, Discord. My Discord crashed once I typed into it. Let me know if it is clipped weird.
It seems to be good for me.
Okay, sweet. Deontay said QQQ set up 3-1 on the 15 Qs. Oh. Yeah, you got that on Q as well. But it wasn't a 1. Kind of interested to see what the Euro's doing. Dixie's kind of fallen. And Q should be going up with that. ES turning into a short here. Failed 2 on the 5. I'm getting short on ES 5102. Gonna go 4-point stops. Oh, sorry, 510250. So 510650 is my stop. I haven't traded ES in a long time. There's half R. There's 1R.
I made 1,000. I'm still sitting in the hole though. I'm still sitting in the hole.
Nice
I have
job.
been in the hole all day.
Only in the whole $500 though, right?
Thanks. Yeah. That's an easy one. You can get that's an easy one to get out of when you're down like $2 grand, 1,500. Those are like you either got to peg it right on a big move or get a couple little base hit doubles. Guys, base hit doubles for me like $200 is a base hit.
Shoot me.
10 points. I call them.
There we go.
I'll try to have fun with it. And then double would be like $400. Triple 600. 1,000 on a one lot. 800 on a one lot. That's a home one.
Hey, NBC News here saying Israel's response is imminent. Again, Israel response is imminent according to NBC News. Trade right now.
Okay.
Rookie trade.
That was a retest.
Also got a comment here from Yellen. We've been working to diminish Iran's ability to export oil. There may be more that we can do. We'll see what's up her sleeve.
Under 5,100 now. And Q kind of following as well. Lots of support building up at 5,100.25, 150 lots there.
I don't know if this is true, but on the top of X, if I click flatten all, does that cancel all working orders as well? Does anybody
Click
know
both.
that one?
I always click both.
No, I don't want to click both. That's the whole thing. Because I find myself a lot of times when I go close position, I still have working orders. So if I can get close position and cancel order off and then flatten, well, I still need to cancel order, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, ES was the better mover there.
To hit one button, right? Yes. All right, cool. That's why. I always had closed position, and that didn't cancel any working orders. And then I'd have stops working. All right, thanks, guys.
Yeah, if they're not OCO to that position, then they'll stay.
Not if you're on a flat and all.
Yes. I just did it in my combine account.
Yeah.
So I put on a position with an OCO, and then I put in another order to sell it above. And when I flattened all, the other order to like sell another one higher stayed on.
Okay. That's not what Robert's saying, or the chat. So it's weird that yours is doing something different. And now I don't know the answer. But Robert says, flatten all kills them all.
When you show my chart, I just put a position on.
You flatten all guy?
Yeah. Sometimes.
Clicking.
Okay.
No, I mean,
Here's the position.
Gold wicked below
Here's the position.
low of day here. ES still holding up. New 5-minute candle coming in here in 7 seconds. Looking for a 2 continuation on ES.
kills active positions, and then it probably kills active workers. That's my bet.
Bring stops to 99.50. If this 1 minute goes 3 bar, I'll be out. Just trying to capture as much profit. All right, I'm out of ES. I think today is not really going to be until maybe lunch hour. It's not going to be a new trend day. So just protecting capital here. But I might have just been liquidity there. Which is fine. I can get back in. 3-2 down, I would probably get back in. I'm actually looking at NQ now.
We are in the middle of the range right now.
Short up there. That's tough.
VWAP.
Does a lot. It's doing a lot of retesting areas. Lots of retesting. Range bound.
Gonna put a sell stop at 70. 17,870.
Micros and minis, I believe, is coming out with the launch of this.
That's gonna be the big one.
Yeah, and so, well, I'm really bummed that the launch got pushed 2 more weeks, and this is because, and that'll mean by the end of the month, that bugs that I talked about, support bugs, took priority. We have to prioritize. We can't do all things, and we were missing the most important thing.
Yeah, I was just liquidity on on ES there. All good.
Support, and also less
Captured extra profit past the 1R. Or sorry, past the break even. Yes, looking for a new low of day. Taking this short, 77. Finger on the close. Stops up to this current candle high. So it'd be a 3.5 point loss. Definitely stops up now after a 2 down. Yeah, I'm out. I'll take a 3-2 short if it comes. Here's a new 5-minute candle and a 15. Still looking short. Starting a short 72.50. Oh, okay. I only have a partial in. I'm just taking 10. Call it VC there. That was way too fast anyway, so it doesn't matter. New 5-minute candle. It is a fail, or it is 222 continuation short. 3-2 on the on the 15. Yes, at low of day here. Gold going 212 up. Putting a buy stop on gold 2384.8 for a 2.5 point stop. 2.4 point stop. Still looking short ES. Okay, inside bar now. I guess I'll get filled if it goes 2 up. Not sure how I didn't get filled on the ask. And Q looking to curl around. Switch over there. 2-1, 2 down here, maybe. No fill yet on gold. All right, just got filled on gold. Gold long. Up half R on gold. All right, back up to half R. Stops to break even on gold. I'm gonna look back at NQ. Taking a little bit at half R here on gold. Just starting to get a little wicky. Oh, then it starts about to get filled on my 1R anyway. Within 1 tick. Disrespectful. Literally within a tick right now on gold. There's the fill. Hard stops on gold. Hard stop loss break even on gold. Just going to start looking elsewhere for a little bit while this runs. 2R trim is up. A fake Patrick Wieland came in and said order flow says long. That's interesting because I don't see it yet. Unless you're talking about gold. It's quite the never mind. Just grinding green right now. A sell stop on NQ 53.25. Just got filled. I am short NQ. there's 10 points almost.
We're selling off. Nice trade there.
I'm up.
Way to go.
I'm up 15 bucks. 15 bucks. Got myself out.
That's a heck of a recovery rate there, Empty. Nicely done.
That's a win. That's a W. Now let's slow down.
All right.
There's 10.
Make me laugh every time. Eddie, you're good.
94% Wyatt. Now we're coming down here. Wow. No news, by the way. No news at all.
Just barely missed the 20-pointer.
Positive delta, Andre. 1,400 positive in the S&P around the lows.
Really don't want to get stopped at break even again. Gotten enough of those today. But it might just be the 1 hour accounts day to shine. ES new low of day.
We are bouncing kind of down here at that 834 level again. And if this is where it's going to start to have some folks covering their shorts down here, maybe we reverse it back up to the top side towards those 873s again.
Oil curling back up for now.
Also count levels are not coming into play right now, Michael. Nope.
Oh,
All right. Well, why would
you had
Stopped out of NQ.
15s though. You had them up at the 925s though.
did, but then it got rejected. It got rejected. And then we got down to, like Rip said, down to 834 level here. NASDAQ rejected. Rejected the upside, rejected the downside.
But those are levels though, right? 18s to 25s. 918s, 925s. That's really where it pivoted.
This might be a day where I just take full profit at 10 points.
That's great.
You hear me, Jesse?
I can now, yep.
Do you have for your 1 hours? Do you have it set up on a virtual machine, or do you have it set up in Ninja where it automatically?
It's a
just takes
bracket.
The 1 hour.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a bracket. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, it's a bracket.
Everybody here is just searching for a trade.
anything. Anything, dude. We're like in the desert looking for water right now.
Back above 50s.
All right, well, while we do a little searching here, let's check out some hot streaks with JD and chart pattern of the day. JD, welcome to a very, very difficult trade. How we doing, JD?
All right, boys. Let's just rip through this real quick. Here we go. We got hot streaks from yesterday. You're gonna like some of these, MP. All right. Same list as yesterday. Everyone extended their hot streaks for another day. Some of them by the skin of their teeth. After commissions, Arian profited $2. $2. That'll get you a hot dog and pop at Costco with change, right? It'll also extend your win streak for another day. Petrus pocketed $11. Tien made $200 trading the YM. After commissions, James took home $3, and Madi made a little over $200 trading the micro Nasdaq. Small numbers, but good enough to extend those hot streaks for a day, right? And I did get confirmation. Yeah, 100%. I did get confirmation that our last leader, Jacob, did break his win streak after a 32-day heater. Hell of a job, Jacob, if you're listening.
That is incredible.
Stopped out of gold, and it's curling back up now.
All right, here are our live funded channels from yesterday. Some new names, some familiar names. Corey with 2,600. Omar, almost $3,000. Our friend Julio is back, 3,300. Miguel, 4,300. And Eddie is also back in the mix with 5,600 in profits trading the Nasdaq and S&P yesterday. Nice job all around to those traders also.
Probably don't want to be taking a trade while there's 5 minutes inside, but valid shorts according to the 15 for the next 3 minutes.
Very much appreciated. Let's talk a little bit about measured moves.
One moment here, JD. I'm trying to get you.
Sure. So, guys, a measured move is a concept in technical analysis used to estimate potential price targets based on the height or length of a previous price move. You following that? The idea
Minute 50 left on this inside bar on the 5. Still valid shorts. Back below 50s.
Breakout happened on decent volume. We added about 5,800 in open interest, so that means shorts were entering the market on this move yesterday. This is good for our confirmation of the breakout and adds validity to our measured move target. So now, similar to the head and shoulders pattern, the measured move for the diamond depends on the size of the pattern. You want to measure the widest part of the pattern, the lowest low to the highest high, and then measure downward from the breakout price. So our low is right here at 18,008 quarter, and our high is at 18,709. This high right here. So we're going to take this and measure down from our breakout price at 18,080 from yesterday.
Last minute of this inside bar on the 5.
Measure move is about 700 points, so that gives us a potential price target of 17,380 in the Nasdaq. Keep in mind we're looking at a daily chart here. It took this pattern about 2 months to form, so it could take a little time to play out. Also, disclaimer: there's no guarantee that prices will go to this level, but it's good information to have for forming that initial bias before starting the day, and it's something to look at until the pattern busts or it's determined it's just a head fake.
Gonna have a failed 2 on the 15. Inside bar on the 5.
Questions?
That's a lot of room. That's a lot of room. Measure moves, John.
Mikey,
John
you're
has
on
helped
mute,
you.
I think.
Yeah, last night I was doing my series 3, and I was reading on open interest, and I love how you guys always talk about it. John always brings open interest in here, guys, and it's very important. I would say it's important to do that. So basically, increasing open interest indicates a strengthening of the existing market. There seems to be strengthening of the existing market. Look for existing trend to continue. In other words, more and more positions are established as more and more traders jump on the bandwagon once they feel a market direction has been identified. Therefore, expect a rising market to continue to rise and a declining market to continue to
2 on 2 up on the 5 now.
notice that open interest
Inside bar on the 15.
increasing to the short side on this move now? Or no?
Yes.
Is that what
Yep,
JD said?
that's correct.
Yes.
The breakout occurred yesterday on higher volume and an increase in open interest to the short side.
Yep. In higher volume, Grips talks about it. Higher volume means more participants. More participants means more what is it? Conviction in the move,
Conviction.
or more interest in
Yep,
the
I
move.
like conviction.
So
Okay.
this little table here is something I've been
There you
using
go.
for years, and it just kind of compares volume and open interest. If price is rising on higher volume and increasing open interest, it's likely that that move it will continue. That is a strong market. You don't want to fight a market like that. You want to find a way into something like that. But if price continues to rise on lower volume and or lowering open interest, the move is probably getting close to an end, or market state change is likely at some point in the future. So what we saw yesterday in the S&P and the Nasdaq was we saw falling price, breakout of a structure on decent volume, but rising open interest indicates that downside move. I don't like the way this is written, that it says a weak market. It's more likely to continue in the downside direction because volume and open interest are rising in that way. And just like Michael said, if
The buy stop at 77.75 on NQ.
if this market falls on lowering volume and lower open interest, the downside move may be nearing an end, and a potential market state change could be imminent. Everything could be. Nothing is finite in futures trading. What when you get the right answer, the markets are going to change the questions.
Sorry, CR7, if you need me to answer a question, please don't be afraid to ping me when you ask, just so I see the notification. But you said, yeah, the trade idea on gold was the 2 on 2 on the 5.
Was the volume low? Was the volume? Yeah, was the volume?
Jay Will said might call it
around
3 break evens in a row, yeah.
2 weeks? 2 months?
Yeah, it's been that kind of day.
Yeah, around
Yeah, it's
Gold, another move up.
to start
Oil also pushing up. Filled on NQ there. Stops will move to the bottom of this 1 minute candle. Stops to 7 points. Stopped out there.
According to Series 3, last thing on open interest that I have to share. Open interest number in a commodity contract is another huge indicator of which technicians rely on.
Is your master account a 1 hour account or a trim account? Was curious how that works. Where it's not one button. Yeah, it's not one button. Looking to maybe get back in here if this curls around again. Inside on the 5 though. Going short ES 8750. Stops. Guess I'll just do 4 points again. Oops. Finish sending this, I guess. Be a good idea. Gold is still going. I might start looking at that. Gold was the play. I just got wicked out on a outside bar here. Getting out of ES minus 3 points.
Bro, I cannot believe gold whipped me out like that.
I know.
That is so dirty.
Trust me, I know.
I didn't have
And
the
it's
price
still
trigger.
going to.
I heard stop filled, and you're like, oh, I got stopped out, and then I'm like, I should just buy back in.
Yeah, it's still going. I'm actually buying in here. 97.7.
Before I start here, I want to see some likes. I know we've got over 4,000 lovely traders watching Top Step TV. But if you haven't,
5 points. Stops.
thumbs up button, not the heart in chat. We want to see this number grow. I got some good goodies here for you later this week, and I'm going to repeat that later this week. We're going to have a bell-to-bell giveaway for one free reset. Thing is, you got to tune in to participate, and that bell-to-bell is going to happen. I'm not going to say. So be here for that. I know, don't tar and feather me, but that's what it says here. I got to read what it says. I'm sorry. But anyway, moving on to more plugs. We do have something fun for everyone. What are your hobbies? You got a hobby? We want to know more about your hobbies so we can keep bringing you the best in tradertainment, from sports, video games, music, art, cooking, and more. We're interested to hear about what you're doing when you step
Stops up to current candle low.
we're going to put that form in the chat. We're going to do this a few times, so if you missed this one, we'll get you back again. Also, Instagram. Like what we're doing, you want to keep up with Top Step TV's crew? Instagram, so you don't miss out. We're going to post that link in there. Follow along, and by all
All right, stopped out. That was a little chasey anyway. I didn't want to hold that all the way through. I think that's it. Don't love ending on a loss, but I also don't want to overstay my welcome here. ES curling back down though. Back to looking at gold. 3.5 minutes left in my trade window. And Q actually looks like a reversal to the upside. Actionable now. I'm in long in Q, 78.50. Apple got bad news. When was that? Stops to minus 12 points. Actionable on the 15, but again, it's choppy days today.
Here's a pop quiz for you, Michael. What are the 5 trade locations that you can have on the tape?
All right, stopped out there. That's it for me. Days like today are where I really mess up my... Not that I really care about my stats. My P&L matters more, but where I mess up my stats. Just trying to catch some 10-pointers. But, alrighty, that's it for me today. I will be back tomorrow. And if you're going to keep trading, use stop losses. Don't be gambling on Powell. That's silly. That's not what people who treat this like a business do. So be careful. If you're going to keep trading, use stop losses. Don't blow your account one trade. That's silly. I'll see you all here tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, guys. See ya.